Bottle feeding, cleaning, sterilization, and safety. A few words of advice for bottle feeding. Avoid microwave heating. Microwaving bottles can cause them to become too hot, risking burns to the baby's mouth. Opt for safer heating methods. Thoroughly clean and sterilize bottles. Take all necessary precautions to clean and sterilize bottles to prevent contamination that could harm your baby. Clean bottles promptly. Don't let leftover milk sit in the bottle for long periods without washing. Empty any remaining milk and soak the bottle in water until you can wash it properly. Dispose of leftovers. If there's milk left over after feeding, either discard it or store it in the fridge immediately after the baby finishes feeding. Sterilizing bottles. Sterilizing equipment for bottle feeding is crucial to ensure the baby's sensitive system is protected from harmful germs. Here's how to do it properly. Sterilization process. Fill a sterilization bucket with cold water, add sterilizing liquid or tablets, and then place the equipment in the bucket. Gather necessary supplies. You'll need sterilizing liquid or tablets, a bottle brush, table salt, and a container for sterilization. Leave to soak. Allow the equipment to soak in the sterilized water for a period of time. Wash bottles and teats. Clean bottles and teats thoroughly with hot water and a designated bottle brush to remove all traces of milk. Scrub teats with salt. Use salt to scrub the inside of the teats to ensure all milk residues are removed. Rinse in cold water. Wash all equipment in cold water to remove any remaining traces of milk. Dry and store. Once sterilized, remove the equipment from the water and let it dry completely before using. Other sterilization methods. There are various electrical appliances available that use steam or microwave technology to sterilize bottles and teats, offering convenience and time-saving benefits compared to traditional methods. Consider these options for efficient sterilization.